Hey you guys, I wanted to chat with you a little bit about host exclusive starter kits. Did you know that your friends and family and customers can join Scentsy for free? I had an interesting chat the other day regarding the host exclusive starter kit, and someone who didn't quite understand the whole idea of it, and I wanted to make sure that I cover this topic. So if you are newer, or maybe you just haven't heard of our host exclusive starter kit yet, hopefully you'll learn something new from this chat. So I wanted to let you know that every single time that you have a qualified party in Canada, that's $265 before tax and shipping. In the US, it's a $200 party. Once it hits 200 PRV, essentially, is what it is. And then your host actually has the opportunity to use the kit to buy the starter kit. So it is designed for people who host a party, and then they can get the starter kit for $77. Now, most people didn't realize that you can actually get the starter kit for free. And how that works is that if you have 665 technically. I did an example here and it's 671, but it's basically at a $665 party, they are going to earn host rewards that are higher than $77. So the host exclusive kit is $77, but they can either buy it for $77 or they can use their host credits toward that. So if they have a $665 party, they are going to cover the cost of their starter kit for $77, and they will still have leftover to, basically customize what they want. So maybe there was something that they really liked in the 129 kit, but they don't have the budget for it. By putting it in with a $665 party, they'll have a little bit extra that they can either use toward that product, or they will also have 3 half-price items. So they can really customize what they're going to get in their host exclusive starter kit, essentially. Of course, the kit comes prepackaged, but they can have these add-ons with their host rewards and their half-price items. So I feel like this is a really underutilized tool for a lot of people. It is one that I have been using. Every time I have $265 order going in, I go to my list of people who I have spoken to about the opportunity, who have let me know that it's cost prohibitive to them, and I will offer them the starter kit for $77. And so that way they're not paying, the difference. They're not paying the $129 for the full kit. I'm letting them get the host exclusive starter kit for $77, and that is within compliance. You are allowed to offer it to somebody even if you technically are the host. You are the one who collected the orders, like especially right now, and this is why I thought, you know what, I better cover this topic now. Especially now when we have so many people who are ordering 6-packs because they're on sale this month. It's taking no time at all. Actually, I can pull this up. Let me see here. Every time you have 8 people who have an order of a 6-pack, you have a host exclusive kit available to offer to somebody. So you do not have to give them the extra rewards. So if you've earned, well, in that case, it would be $265. So that would mean you have $26.50 in host rewards. If that person was the host, they could of course use that $26.50 and deduct that from the $77 starter kit. But if you have it, you can offer them the starter kit for $77, and then you yourself would redeem the $26.50 plus the half price rewards, and of course the perpetual rewards. If you guys have questions, please comment below. I'm trusting that everybody understands what a perpetual reward is. I trust that you guys all realize that you need to use all your rewards or you lose them. I wanted just to make sure that you guys knew that this was a real option. And I was on a leadership call this morning with home office. I'm looking around for my phone. I'm talking on it. This is a real option that a lot of people are actually using. I can let you know that year over year, our recruiting efforts are 150% over January 2019, and that is significant. And that according to their records that they keep track, of course, of everything at home office, approximately 50% of people who join Scentsy are joining through the Host Rewards Kit. So if you guys are not familiar with it, I think it's really important that you educate yourselves. Obviously, thank you for watching this. This is your first step in understanding the Host Rewards, or the Host Exclusive Starter Kit, sorry. If you search Host on your workstation, you will come up with a whole bunch of information. There are like trainings, there's documentation, there's all kinds of things. I think you can also put in party flipping, and that would show you it as well. But there's so many options. One of my favorite ones, and I'll post it below, is to show people what their difference is in the two kits so that they can make an informed choice. Obviously, the starter kit was designed that the host would be bringing in the orders and getting orders from their friends and then kind of earning themselves a kit, which of course it is for, and we do offer that to everybody who hosts a party. But I don't know how many of you guys would know that you can offer the Host Exclusive Starter Kit every single time that you have a qualified party going in. Every single time that you have 265 PRV going in, you can offer somebody that Host Exclusive Starter Kit and really start to build your team. If you've never thought about building your team, that's okay. You can start tonight. Maybe you've been a consultant for 10 years and you have never had somebody join your team. That's okay. Today's the day to start. I mean, it is absolutely no skin off of your nose. It doesn't take away any of your PRV. It doesn't take away from your host rewards in any way. You're just offering them the starter kit for $77 and then they go with it. Some people will ask, what about, they don't have skin in the game. They didn't get their orders themselves. And what Scentsy has shown is that not only are they usually stronger in sales, but they're also really strong in recruiting because they have experienced the blessing of being offered a starter kit, and now they're offering that blessing to everybody else. So please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I will post a picture of that document that I was telling you about. It's obviously a picture of me taking a picture of my screen, so it's not a great picture, but you can go on to your workstation and you can search host. You can search party flipping. You'll get lots of information on there. So please, please, please let me know. Have you talked to anybody about the Host Starter Kit? Have you recruited somebody using the Host Exclusive Starter Kit, or is this kind of new news to you? I would like to know. I'd love to hear your feedback on what you think of the Host Exclusive Starter Kit. Thank you guys so much. Have a great night. Bye.